Okay, this is a NYSSMA solo level 2 for clarinet. It's called Eccossaise by Ludwig van Beethoven. You have to perform this one with number 11 on the back side of the page, but I'll get to number 11 in a minute. The Eccossaise, it's in C concert major, which is nice. There's no sharps or no flats you really have to worry about. There are a couple of D sharps in there, in an accidental, marked in an accidental. Remember, the high D sharp is three fingers plus your top center pinky key. High D sharp, also known as high E flat, or in the low version, it's G sharp or A flat. There is no left-hand version of this. You have to play it here. So, for the Eccossaise, it's about 104 beats a minute, which is this, eventually what you want to get it to. You're going to want to go slower than that at first, of course. The good news about this particular piece is there's no low notes in it at all. It's high notes. Now, you know, high notes are not the hard part of clarinet. What's hard about the clarinet sometimes is going from the high notes to the low notes, or vice versa. In this case, you don't have to worry about that because they're all high notes. Just make sure that all your B's, therefore, don't play B flat here. There's no B flats. It's all B naturals. So B natural, either this one, remember, right here, or this one right here. Okay, so this is the Eccossaise by Ludwig van Beethoven. Does get a little quieter there at the end with a mezzo piano. I did not do any of the repeats, obviously, just because I wanted to get through the whole thing. The first section you would repeat once, play mezzo forte both times. The second section, the first time is marked forte, and the second time is marked piano, so there is a little difference there. The second time through, of course. You can hear I'm making a big deal about the accents there. There are breath marks put in this. Please do observe them, even if you don't need to take a breath. I think I kind of skipped the first breath in the second section there. But even if you don't take a breath, do make sure to put a little pause there, put a little phrase mark there, put a comma there if you were talking about a sentence. Okay? There are a couple of little V's too. Make sure you make a big deal about those. Other than that, this is a fairly straightforward one. It's one of my favorite level 2 clarinet ones. You do have to perform it, like I said, with number 11, and that'll be coming up next.